Okay, so we are back at it again with a little bit of the project car right behind me. And today we're going to be working on some headlights, as in replacing headlights to make them look cooler. So this is how they're looking right now. I actually have already started removing it, but here's how it looks like right now. Oh, got some company. And then here's the other side. I've already removed, how many is this? 3 out of 4? There's only 4 nuts you have to remove. I'll show you right now where they are. Okay, so let me show you exactly what I've been doing. I took out the battery already from this side. This actually is gone already. I just yanked it, and these two are pretty much just stuck in place. These are the 2 nuts that you have to take off from the other side. So there's one nut right here, and the other nut's right there. And there's also another nut that goes under the fender. Oh, you can see, nice. Let's see, it's a little bit higher up. Let me see exactly where the bulb is. But it does, see, I'm pushing it out already. Oh, it's already out. Uh-oh. But yeah, it's some here. It's somewhere in here. So I took that out. There's only 4 nuts that hold this thing together. And the 2 most important ones are the ones that are here and inside, just as I showed you. So I'll showcase the new headlights. The reason why I wanted to get new ones is because I tried to clear coat this with like $6 clear coat, and first of all, it looks terrible up close. And second of all, I messed it up by sanding it a little too much. So yeah, the same thing is on this side. It just looks really cheap. And the whole set was $100, so. As for this side, I ended up just taking off the coolant reservoir. It was in this spot right here. So you have to take one thing off from each side, the battery on the other side, and for this side, the coolant reservoir. And this should be coming off pretty soon. I got 3 out of 4 out. Since you see it's already shimmying, I just gotta loosen it a little bit more with my ratchet. So I took it off. Moment of truth. Oh, baby, it's off. Both ones are off. Let's get the other one off. Ooh, that one's off too. So now we just gotta unplug the electricals. And pretty neat fact is that I also need to replace this little reflector light here, so it'll be perfect. Okay, so I have a little bit of a problem. These 2 are supposed to come off so that the new headlight will be able to fit. As you can see on the other side, these 2 are open, you see? So I don't know how the heck I'm gonna do this. Check out the new headlight. Boom. So I got the black housing, and then I have, instead of amber reflectors, I've got white reflectors. Looks pretty sick, I tell you what. But I don't know how the heck to put it on the other side. I might have to drill it out, we'll see. Damn, look at that, dude. Dude, I think it looks amazing. It's all brand new. I like it. I like it. But now I have to figure out the other side, which is gonna be a problem. But so far, it's looking pretty damn good. It does make the car look a lot more premium, dude. For $100, damn. I had to pull out my impact wrench drill combo here. Holy moly. Stupid rusted bolts, dude. Now I have to do this one too, so I can get the new headlight on there. And after that, it's all good. That looks so stupid, but it's all right. Oh my God, look at this. 20 minutes later. 15,000 holes later. And it's still in there. The most resilient bolt I've ever seen in my life. My goodness. I just needed to get this off and it's over. Look at this. This bolt, dude, just does not want to move. There's like a little part that's still stuck in there. But after that, it's over. I'm putting the new headlight in. Oh, look how close. Oh, it's so close. Oh my gosh. Hurry up. Hurry, please. Look how many. Oh my god, bro. Holding on to your life over here. Bless the Lord. It's gone. Both are open. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's on, baby. I put it on. You can still see that it's got drill holes on it, but it is not budging at all. Oh, perfect. Oh my goodness, dude. This looks great. This looks phenomenal. This looks astounding. This looks luxurious. I'm gonna put it on. Put on the coolant reservoir, put on the battery, and we're gonna see how it looks like with the lights turned on. I'm gonna reverse the car so you can see it facing the wall over there. Dude, here they are, lit up. Look how freaking premium that looks. Oh my goodness. Damn. Let's get the side profile, watch. Dude. That looks good. That looks really, really good. Keep in mind, man, I bought this off eBay for $100. Let's get this side right here. Damn. That is delicious. Well, anyways, that's the end of this video. Kind of took a little longer than I wanted because some doofus decided to keep him on here the whole time, and the bolts just rusted on, so I had to do some big boy drilling. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.